Hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, I'm Henry Vernon. I am here with a student. Say hi to the camera.
Hey everyone, hey Philippines.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna run through the driving test. We're at the South Florida DMV location. We're gonna run through the tests one last time. She has been practicing, so she'll do well. Before I get into the video, though, I'm gonna ask you guys please to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be Exotic Car Culture if you're into cars, Sequence Sound if you're into music, reggae, dancehall, and this channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm gonna ask you please to do so. ACC Driving School. All right, so let me get into the video. First, another thing, we have the 4-hour, the 8-hour, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. We also have the first-time driver 4-hour drug and alcohol class. That's called the first-time driver class on the website. And we now offer the third-party driving test. Well, we have access to the third-party driving test. So if you link me up, if you want to book the third-party test, if you're having problems finding an appointment at the DMV, call me up at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. The website is accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. All right. So let's get into the test. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put a car in parking, pull up the brake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, good. All right, go ahead. Do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Alright, so they're checking to make sure your brake lights is working, your turn signal lights, your horn. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Now they'll ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. So turn all the way left until it stops. Turn all the way right. They're checking your left front tire all the way right. Now they're checking your right front tire. Now straighten the wheel. That's 1, all the way around 2, right there. Cool. Alright, so once they've checked everything and your tires are good and your brake lights, turn signal lights, horns working, they'll get into the car and they'll basically tell you to listen and follow instruction. Very, very simple. Follow instruction. Now we're going to reverse and we're going to go to the left. So you put the car in reverse, look behind you. Put it in reverse. That's not reverse. Alright, look behind you and roll back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, I want you to stop about here. Stop. Turn all the way right. Keep looking behind. Remember. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Put it in drive. We're going to go to the stop sign. We're going to make a left turn. Take your time. Make a left. So we're making a left turn, so make sure you signal. As soon as they tell you that you're making a left or right, you make sure you put on the turn signal. So you come to this stop sign here, you make sure you stop right before the line. Alright, look both ways, make sure it's clear, and then go ahead and make your left turn. Alright, go straight down in the corner. signal here. Just come down and turn. Alright, Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn as soon as you pass the cone right there where the tree is. So you just do it nice and slow, you get me? Alright, make sure you put on your turn signal. They're gonna say make a right, make sure you signal right. Do it nice and slow so you can stay on your right lane. Close to the right. As soon as you straighten up here, I want you to stop. Don't go too far to the left. Make sure you stay in the right lane. Alright, straighten up here. Straighten the wheel. Like that. And stop. Stop. Okay, now they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20, straight down. Don't turn to the left. Speed up. And stop. Okay, look behind and reverse, straight back. Keep the wheel straight, no gas. Keep the wheel straight. Make sure, yeah. Just let it roll. If you're straight when you stop going forward, the car will go straight back. So just look behind, release the brake, and just let it roll until they tell you to stop. Like about here, they say stop. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go around and do the park and 3-point turn. In between these cones. Park in between the cones. The cones. We've been doing this all morning. Come on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Signal left. Alright. Go straight in. And stop. Alright, reverse, and then we'll go to the left to do the 3-point turn. Look both ways here. Alright, turn. As soon as your mirror is past the middle, like right there, then you're gonna stop. Go back a little bit more. That's good. Stop. Put it back in drive. Close to the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. Okay, close to not don't cross the line though. Stop right here. Alright, go ahead, 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Alright. Put it in reverse. All the way right. All the way. Turn the wheel. As soon as your mirror is past the middle again, you're going to stop. Like about that. That's good. Put it back in drive. And then turn all the way left again. So it's all the way left, all the way right, all the way left. Straighten up in the right lane. And now we're going to go to the stop sign and make a left. So you signal left. Again, as soon as they say make a left or make a right, you signal. Come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Look both ways. And then go ahead and make your left turn. Okay, we're going to go down. And why is this person on our side of the road? I don't understand. And check out the DMV line. That's what the line looks like at the DMV. Half an hour before DMV opens. It's been like that since like 3 o'clock in the morning. Wrapped around the building.
At 3 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, if you come out here, even if you come out here at 2, 1 o'clock in the morning, it's still a lot of people. It's crazy.
Straight here?
Signal left, take a left. So you take your time, because they're going to tell you to make a left turn. Either right here or wherever there's a space. So make a left right here. Okay, now we're going to park on the left again. Alright, so how do you think you did?
I will pass.
You'll pass. I mean, you did fine, except when you were parking where I didn't tell you to park, so you have to listen. Other than that, you did fine. All right, so you see how she did. I'm sure we're gonna run through it again, so I'm sure she'll pass her driving test.
Please, Lord.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna ask you guys again to subscribe to my other channels. That's Exotic Car Culture. If you love cars, if you're a car enthusiast, check out that channel. If you love music, reggae music, dancehall, sound system, check out my sound system channel. That's Sequence Sound. And then we have this channel, ACC Driving School. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm begging you please to do so. 4-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour traffic ticket class on the website, accdriverseducation.com. The 4-hour first-time driver class, the one you need before you get your learner's permit, is also on the website. And we offer the third-party driving test. We can accommodate you for the third-party driving test. Just call me at 954-588-8075. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.